Are you new to Excel Church? Have you joined us within the last 6 months? Well, we'd love to invite you to our welcome coffee night happening at Costa Coffee at the Keyway Junction in Willenhall. It's happening on Thursday the 18th of July at 6 till 7. So you can sign up online, chat to one of our team, or have a look on our website and join us there to get to know a bit more about the team and the vision of our church and how you can be a part of it all. Okay church, so this is a big notice that in August for our summer holidays we're not going to be doing evening services here at Excel Church, but what we are going to be doing is some outings in the afternoon after the morning services. So take a note of these. On the 4th of August we're going to be doing a church picnic at Hickman Park. The week after, on the 11th, we're going to be going to Ironbridge, and after that on the 18th we're going to be going to Sandwell Valley Park, and on the last week of that month we're going to be going to Trentham Gardens on the 25th. So make a note of all those dates, come along, we'll have a lovely time together on some Sundays and we'll make the most of summer together. Men, this one is for you lot. So your next Courageous Men's event is happening on Saturday the 13th of July, and you're going to be doing a walk at Sandwell Valley Park. So you're meeting at Forge Mill Car Park, and you can bring your kids along if you want as well, and it's going to be a really nice time for you all to get together, chat together, do what you men do and have a nice walk together. So sign up online if you'd like to join for that event. Don't forget that this week is prayer and Bible study on Wednesday night, so you can join us here at church for that at 7:30, and this Saturday is Next Level as well. So remember all that for your diary. Have a great week and we'll see you next week.